Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to change or add a new location to your photo. You'll mark a specific location and you'll be able to track it on a map. How do you mark a location? To do this, you go into your iPhone's gallery. You select the photo you want. Now you simply swipe up. Here you see the location that has been marked, and you can change it. You click Adjust, and here you can write any address you want. I put Texas, and the location is automatically transferred to Texas on the map. As you can see, it's a very quick and easy way. Done. There's nothing complicated about it. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.